Here's my mermaid. Hello, mermaid. How are you? Hey, mermaid, where are you?
I'm right here.
No, what are you? What?
I'm a snorkeler.
In where? Are you in Hamilton?
No, in Hawaii. I gotta go in the house.
Look at her flippers.
Mom.
Yeah?
Look at
And there's Gus.
it.
What are you doing with rocks?
I'm making big storm clouds out of them. Look.
Oh my gosh, making storm clouds. We're in Kauai. Hawaii in Princeville. And we just got here last night at midnight. So this is first time. Yes.
Look at me. Look at me. I'm magic. No rocks. Here's more rocks. Ta-da!
It's funny.
Watch it disappear.
There is something going on over there. I'm not sure what's going on.
Rocks.
I gotta go see him. And here's Em over there in the hot tub. Let's see if we can find her. There she is! Is it nice and warm, Em? We're having so much fun, and it's only 7:30 in the morning. We got here at 7. They got out here at 6 o'clock, checking out the place. So we have a lot to do. We'll film some more later.